So today's video, I'm going to do a multiplication chart where you're going to find missing numbers. So why don't I go ahead and just show you that now. So I'll just do the first one here for you and then just kind of give you some suggestions on how to do the rest, okay? So to find the missing box here, you're just going to simply look at 7 and multiply it by 2, and then you're going to get 14. And that's pretty much what this whole activity is here. So some of the numbers are missing to find here. For example, this blank box here, there's no number above it. So I'm going to look at the 20 and then the 5, and then I know that 5 times the missing number here will give me that answer for the box here, okay? And then for this missing box here, I know that if I just multiply 7 times 8, that'll give me that number here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Just find the missing numbers for this part of the activity here. And then I also have this one here. And again, different numbers, same idea. Find the missing numbers, multiply them out, and then solve it. All right. So that's today's video, and I thought I'd do something a little different. I'm always kind of giving you reading and comprehension, so I thought I'd throw in just some straight up arithmetic for you to do. And that'll be it for today's video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.